Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. First, find an open space to move freely. Begin by standing with your feet about shoulder-width apart, keeping your knees slightly bent. This athletic stance provides a stable base. Keep your upper body relaxed and your core gently engaged. Practice shifting your weight smoothly from side to side, feeling the rhythm. Now, let's master the essential footwork. Begin with a basic step touch, alternating which foot leads. Aim for quick, light steps, almost gliding across the floor. Try incorporating small hops or slides to make your movements more fluid and dynamic. Practice moving in all directions, forward, backward, and side to side, to build versatility. Next, let's add some arm movements and personal style. Allow your arms to swing naturally, complementing the rhythm of your footwork. Don't be afraid to experiment with various arm positions and hand gestures to express yourself. Try incorporating subtle head nods or body isolations for an extra touch of flair. Developing your unique style comes with practice and observation. Finally, here are some practice tips to boost your confidence. Aim for at least 15 minutes of practice each day to build strong muscle memory. Use music with a clear, strong beat to help you find and maintain your rhythm. Recording yourself can be a great way to see your progress and pinpoint areas for improvement. Dance with friends or in front of a mirror to build your confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.